morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, how are you today? Okay, everyone is okay that I'm okay too because now we are afraid of COVID-19, right? So we have to take care of ourselves. Today, I have a presentation to show you. Okay, let's see. The first one, we're gonna read some sentences. And then, if you read that, and you can tell me what is the sentence about. Okay. What happened to the cake? Okay, look at the cake. What happened to the cake? You can see a piece of cake, right? It's cut into a piece of cake. Okay. What do you say if you see this picture? What would you say in English? Can you? Somebody eats it, right? But I want to tell that the cake was done by somebody. What should I say? What should I say? Can you? Okay, let's see. A cake is eaten by someone, right? A cake is eaten by someone. Let's remember, we're gonna use a cake as a subject, right? And then verb 2, be and verb 3. We can say past participle or verb 3, right? The cake is eaten by someone. We don't know who did the action, so we use someone. Let's see another picture. What happened to the room? You can see it's green, it's bright. Yes? Somebody cleaned already, right? But I want to say a room, on the room. What should we say? The room or is? One room is what room? Clean with? Okay, let's see. The room is cleaned. Nobody, I don't know who is, right? Who cleaned the room. So we can use the words. The room is cleaned, not cleaned. Okay? Let's see next slide. What happened to the mouse? Okay, you see a cat follow the mouse, right? But I want to change the subject from object into the subject. We start with the mouse or a mouse. A mouse, one mouse, right? What is the verb to be we're gonna use? Is. What is the verb? Follow or apply? Follow or another words? Let's see. A mouse is chased by a cat. What is chased? Follow, right? Follow quickly. Follow to catch. Okay. Next, the last one. What happened to the horse or a horse? Somebody ride it, right? It's a cowgirl, right? Okay. So we're gonna say a horse. What to be is right. The verb 3 of the right. Ride, rode, ridden, right? Okay, let's see. A horse is ridden by a cowgirl. Okay, this is the structure of, what is the structure of first voice? You can say, yes, passive voice and active voice. Okay, today we're gonna study the topic of active and passive voice. Okay, let's see our structure by another slide. Okay, I have to change my structure. That's 4 minutes. Today I try to practice some sentence, but do not be silly. It will be easy for you today because I try to make it easy for you. Okay. Okay, everyone, you can download from your line, access your line and download the files. You will see the passive voice test comparisons guide. Okay, this is the present sim, right? Present simple and present continuous, past simple and past continuous. So it's very important if you can remember the tense, right? 12 tense. Especially when you can remember, you can connect to another topic like if clause, conditional clause, and passive voice. Okay, let's see the first one. Okay, look at number one. Number one. Present simple. Can you tell me what is the structure of present simple? Subject, act, verb, one. Sometimes we can add s and es, right? Or present simple. Look at the first sentence. Active voice. Active voice start with somebody, with the people who do the actions. Okay? The first one, he, together, please. He is an apple. He, subject, verbs, and object, right? So we're gonna make it into passive form. Passive form will start with object and verb to be. Verb to be can be is and because it is in the present simple, right? Okay. Object is and verb 3 of past participle and subject. Okay. So how to make it into the passive voice? Okay, the first one, he eats an apple. Make it into passive voice by start with an apple is eaten by him. This is the present simple form, right? Okay, let's see the next one. Present continuous, continuous subject. Okay, can you read the structures? 1, 2, 3. He is eating an apple. Action is doing right now, eating now. Okay, so we have to make it into passive form. Can you think about it? Who can tell me how to make it into passive? Okay, no. Okay, let's see. Objects, verb to be, and is and. Don't forget to add being, and then verb 3 or past participle. So we're gonna make it as an apple is being eaten by him. Which word can be the same? Verb to be and verb 3. They are still, right? And add some words only for present continuous. Okay. An apple is being eaten by him. Next. What tense is this? He ate an apple. What tense is it? Past tense because S is from eat, right? Okay, this is the past simple past form. So the past form we still use verb to be, but is and are will be changed into was and were. And verb 3, it is still, right? We still use this verb to be. So we're going to use it as an apple was eaten by him, right? Okay. We change the verb is and are into was or were. Because we use is what because this is only one apple. Okay. Let's go to another tense. What tense is it? From this example, from this sentence. Yes, it is past continuous. The structure of past continuous is was, were, being, and verb 3. So, from this active form, right? It is an active form. He was eating an apple. So, we can change it as together is an apple was being eaten by him. Okay. Let's check your understanding by doing activity together. Present simple. Okay. Can you read the active form of present simple tense, please? The teacher. The teacher checks the homework every morning. Okay. Checks. Check is the verb one, right? Subject and verb and object, right? So, when we make it into passive form, remember, we have to change the object into subject. So, passive form you start with the homework, okay, is check. How can you spell check? E-C-K and E-D, right? Because past participle will end with E-D. And then by the teachers every morning. Okay? Okay, this is the correct form of passive. Then go into present continuous. It's checking. So remember the form of present continuous. Verb to be with being. So this action verb can be changed and start with the homework is being raised. Check by the teachers. The teacher writes now. Okay. It's a short. Yes. Then go to another tense. Let's see. The teacher checked. What is the form of the tense? Check ed. What is the form? Verb to past simple, right? So, what is the past simple form? Start with the homework. Okay, let's go to the form. Past simple, right? We use was and were or verb like verb ed or past participle. So it will be was checked by the teachers yesterday. And the last one, past continuous. Okay, can you still remember the form? How to make it into passive voice? Okay, was, being, check with, ed. Okay, so the correct sentence will be the homework was being checked by the teacher. Okay, S-H-A-M. Okay, this is the structure and the form of passive voice with form of Sorry, I eat a cake. One more activity. One more example. Okay. How can you change the form? Four form. Form one. A cake. A cake is right. Go three. Eaten by me. Yes, we have to change the subject into the object. Okay. Another one. A cake is being being eaten. Don't forget verb 3 of eat. Eaten by me. Another form of past simple tense, we change is and are to was what? Eaten by me. And the last one, okay, was being eaten by me. Okay. I would like to check your understanding. So, first student, please think about one sentence to tell me what happened to this object. Okay, one student, one example. I give you 5 minutes to think and then you can tell me, whoever. Okay. You can tell your friend very loudly. It needs to use the microphone. Who can tell me the example of passive voice? Can you? You can? Okay, can you use active and passive?
Active voice is I play the basketball.
Yes.
Passive voice is the basketball is played by me.
Correct? Yes, thank you. Okay, next one. Who wants? Want to tell me? To check your understanding. 2 more students. You need to leave today. One more. What happened to you this morning? You ate breakfast, right? What would you say? Okay, one student, tell me. You ate breakfast already this morning. So, what would you say? Okay.
Active and is breakfast. Active breakfast is eaten by me.
Okay, all right. And one more student to tell me what happened to you this morning. Somebody? You want to tell your friends? Anyone? Please check your understanding about active and passive. Boys? Number 1, thank you. What happened to you this morning on action that you want to tell your friend? Active and passive form.
Active, I drink water.
Yes.
Passive, the water is drunk by me.
Yes, the drink, drank, and drunk. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, that's all right. This is the passive and active form. Okay, hope you understand. How many percent you get the topic today? You understand the topic? Who gets more than 50? Show your hand, please. Who understands the topic more than 50%? Show your hand. Okay, more than 60%. More than 80%. Okay, that's okay. So you have to go to read and do exercise later. So after that,